What's going on, fellas? A couple weeks ago, I did a review on this little guy. It is Spike, or is it Stripe, from Gremlins, um, by Trick or Treat Studios. I just got Gizmo in the mail, so let's unbox this and take a look. So we cracked open the seal, and let's take a look. Um, and here he goes. And right off the bat, I can see he has the same issue that I had with Spike. The hands that are furred incorrectly. It looks like he's wearing a sweater and the sleeves are rolled up. So here he is out of the plastic, side by side with Stripe. Again, same materials as a latex hand puppet. The eyes are painted. Very basic paint job. I'll put him up against Howard S. Studios Gizmo, which admittedly is not a fair comparison against the two. Again, for $80, I don't expect a screen accurate prop. I haven't had a chance to kind of comb the fur. I've tried to mess with Stripe. I tried combing this forward to cover the hand so it's has more that sort of look. But it's just on in reverse. And unless I pull this out, it's not coming out. There go the feet. The hands. Again, this was sculpted by Russ Lukich. I think he did a good job with the likeness, but this just doesn't translate well as a production piece. The rear. You have this stamp, Mexico. The Trick or Treat Studio tags. I could almost forgive the lackluster paint on the eyes, but I'm just not happy with the way the things are furred. But these are good bones for if anyone wanted to fix these up. Give it a better paint job, fix the fur. I do like the mouth on Stripe. I do like the way Gizmo looks. I just think it would be served better if it was furred properly. I think even if I comb it and I stuff it with bubble wrap like how I tried to do with Stripe, I don't know how much that would help these. It is a functional hand puppet, so you can remove the material from the back and stick your hand in. Again, like Stripe, this is just way too small for me to fit my hand in. I'll give you a look at the inside. So there you have it. Gizmo by Trick or Treat Studios alongside Spike. Stripe, I keep saying Spike. I'm sorry. I don't know why I remember him as Stripe in the movie. And here's Howard S. Studios Gizmo. Sacha Feiner's. So here they go. These are sold by Trick or Treat Studios. I think they retail for $80. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope this helps those on the fence on whether they should purchase or not. I'm not going to give any advice either way. I think for 80 bucks, you should know you're basically, what you're paying for is what you're going to get. Of the two, I do like him better. But that's about it. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next.